In this video, I show you how to close all the gaps in the timeline of Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open the Adobe Premiere Pro software. You can see it here, there are so many gaps in the timeline. If you want to remove these gaps, you can move all the timeline clips like this, but it is a time consuming process. Don't worry, I'll show you in this video. By doing this, with just one click, you can close all these gaps. Yes, you heard it right. First, select the timeline, then go to the top and you can see the sequence option there. Click on it. A window will pop up like this. Here, select the close gap option. Right after selecting this option, whatever the gaps are there in the timeline, all are closed. This is a time-saving process if you are editing very big projects. Kindly note this is useful if you just edited the A-roll of your footage. If you try this option after completing the process, it works, but sometimes we give breaks in between the time chapters and those also will be closed if you select this option. So what I recommend is right after editing the A-roll of your video, use this close gap feature. So this is how you can close all the gaps in the timeline with just single click in Adobe Premiere Pro software. These are some more videos related to video editing tips and tricks. If you are interested in Adobe Premiere Pro software, I highly recommend watching these.